God, I love Pepsi Max. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I brought a broken Surron. Now, I've got it running. Completely dead battery. Jump started it. Got a bit of voltage. You do it with a low ampage trickle charger. I do fix electric machines for a living. So I got a little bit of an idea. At least I pretend to. Key off. I tried doing it with key on, and it freaking didn't work. Key off. You click and hold this button. Resetted the BMS. Now it's at 100%. And I look at the voltage. It all matches up. I just done a test ride when I was on like 3%, knowing that this thing works. So I got to cycle the battery and then make sure 100% that this battery is good. But right now it works, and it worked with full power. So this was a broken Surron which I got cheap. It is fully decked in aftermarket parts. Now onto the second thing I got to fix. That's important. The rear brake. Rear brake, completely dead. And like it grabs the disc and just drags it. It doesn't brake at all. They do crazy wheelies, and if you got no rear brake, you're just gonna die. It's just simple as that. You just die. Rule number one is cover your rear brake, which I'm struggling with because it's got no foot brake. Got my limited edition Arcarator slides on. It is turning on, and it is firing up. I gotta fix this rear brake. My suspect is everything's working. I don't see any immediate leaks everywhere, so it needs to be bled. These things can get air bubbles in them, they just don't work. Probably did leak out one of the fittings somewhere. I don't know. We got a bleeder kit, which is right here. We're gonna bleed this rear brake. And we're gonna do it together. Let's go. What I have is mineral oil. It doesn't take DOT for like most motorbikes. It takes a mineral based oil. I brought this KDM, but it was actually a bad clutch because it has a Magura clutch in it, which takes mineral oil. And I don't know who did it, but someone put DOT4 fluid in it and it ran like shit. It was dragging, it was popping out of gear. It was completely cooked. I managed to save it by completely bleeding it. It took me so long to bleed it though. I know it's meant to be like royal blood blue, but fuck it, it's red. It's mineral oil. Don't worry about it. I'm bleeding it all. We've got a bleed kit, T25 on the ratchet. We're going to open up this kit, have a little explore. Let's figure this out. Is that the bleed nipple or you're the bleed nipple? I suppose it's meant to, right? I wonder if... Oh, it's got blue in there. Royal blood. Oh, your blood's going to be red now, boy. Alright. It's a bit annoying. Maybe that's why you take the caliper off so you can hold it up to level it. That would make sense, wouldn't it? And that just straight in there. Alright. So look at that. Into here. That is... Oh, that is cool. It's a circlip. Of course it's a circlip. Oh my god, he's on X Games, bro. Let's fucking pump. Pump and dump. I'm gonna need to create a vacuum. This is gonna need a really good bleed because the oil in it's gross. I think it was royal blood, but it's just dirt brown at the moment. Like, it's not anything. It's royal piss at the moment. I'm gonna get to a point where I can create a vacuum where you plunge in and out. They just pop off. Oh my goodness, no. Yeah, it does just pop off. Oh, that's hilarious. That's hilarious. Wear your gloves. Stop it. So much oil. And it's the dirty oil. Look at that. It's getting cleaner. I'll create a bit of a vacuum. Now, give me your blood. Pay with your blood. Create a bit of vacuum. Now I'm going to let it sit for a bit. I've got no air in the line there. Looking pretty good here. I'm gonna wash my hands. Oh, time for cleanup. We got some brake clean. Let's clean all this up because it leaked all over the brakes. We got a pedal, a lever, sorry. Okay, I bled it up. It's a nice lever now, check it out. Squeaky boy. I'll take my garage keys. Always keep a 10 mil with you, boys. You never know. I got fade. I think I got residue on my caliper. Oh my god, I went for a gear shift then. Yeah, I can see why people like to wheelie these. It's very easy. Cool. I'm having fun. Don't judge me, I've never even ridden this before. I'm taking it easy. I still don't really have a rear brake. We have a rear brake, but it's not good enough. Not good enough. Let's clean this up. Clean it up good and deep like. Mobile air. Ow. My shit. Dirt noises. Right, we are back. I tried to cheat. What can I say? I tried to cheat to save some time. Wasn't good enough. Turns out the pads are a bit worn, so I need to use these damn spacers, man. So I've got the caliper off. These are real titanium, by the way. I can tell by feeling the weight of them. So we're going to pull the pads out of this caliper. Oh, shit. Is that meant to be like that? It's like eating into it? I guess this will tell me. Nah, that can't be right. It's like they weren't perfectly aligned and it's cut grooves into it. And the grooves are different. And now I need to put these back. How they came out now. Because they're fucking worn awkwardly. Little chunks out of them. Oh, I have to order some new pads in. These are cooked. These are cooked. Look at these. They're so chunked out. Is that normal? Maybe so it can fit like universal discs or something. So what I've done here, this was leveled like 45 down. I'm leveling it up because I think it will help with the bleed process. But we're going to go for a little test ride. Test out this chain, test out these brakes a bit. Okay. These are brand new brake pads. I got to bed them in. They got fade, baby. There we go. Now they're grabbing. I'm locking. I think I'm locking it. It is locking. Alright. My brakes are starting to bed in. And brake test. Yep. My brake's fully locked now. Don't judge my wheelies. I'm not really trying. Alright. I just started riding this. And it's the first time I remember rear brake with a loose grip. So when I come up, the grip falls off. I'll be riding with one hand with a grip in my hand. This person's waiting for me. Thank you. Alright. Oh wow, the rear brake is real grabby now. It's like better than my front. Oh my god. Alright. Damn. Talk about torque. Alright. My second test ride ever is successful. We have a working bike. And my lever's sick now. It's so tight. I can actually make it, don't even need it on the highest setting to be honest. Make it a bit looser. Yeah, cool. So, yeah, I brought a broken Surron. I'm fixing it up for myself. And if I fall in love with it, I'll keep it. If not, I'll sell it to someone that will appreciate it. And we'll have a fully well-maintained, everything working 100% Surron, ready to race. I love working on bikes. It's a good hobby of mine. I think I like working on them more than riding them half the time because I'll spend hours working on them and I'll ride them for 20 minutes and then put them away. Perfect. And then whoever buys one of my bikes are very lucky because I put a lot of time and effort and a lot of research. I like learning about a bike that I own. Like I want to learn everything about it, do's and don'ts, common parts, what the community's like, what the community's doing, common mods, the best mods. So if I see one on the street, I can look at it and be like, oh yeah, you know what's up. Yeah, I know what's going on here. Yeah, so far, so fun. Don't worry about all the hate these things are getting. If you're a teenager out there, I completely understand. I'm a full grown man, and I don't know how people don't understand why kids aren't just drooling over these. It is literally like a dream that didn't even exist when I was a teenager. Nothing like this existed. And if it did, my God, I would be I'll be washing people's garbage bins for $5 just to save up for one. And then good luck getting your parents' permission because this is a real serious thing. Awesome, guys. This is it. Another thing fixed. It's getting there. It's almost freaking. You can write it as is right now, fine, but I want it like, nah, everything works. Nothing broken, nothing wearing. Okay. Bye. No crown, no rules, no excuse, no God, no home, no truce. If this is wrong, I'll see it through. I left